You can see him. Stop right now. He's reaching. Stop reaching.
On Saturday, November 22nd, at approximately 9:55 p.m., LMPD received a 911 call, reporting an armed robbery of a DoorDash driver. The victim stated a suspect displayed a handgun and stole their food delivery. Officers immediately responded. One met with the victim, while others canvassed the area. Shortly after, officers located an individual matching the suspect description. This video includes the original 911 call, the victim interview, and body-worn camera footage from the officer-involved shooting. Please note, the suspect fired his weapon first, before officers discharged their weapons. The following footage contains graphic content.
"911 operator booth, where's your emergency?"
South. I don't know the exact address. Apartment 2, I just got a gun pulled on me on DoorDashing.
Okay, East Southland?
Just a second, I'll get you the exact address.
Okay,
Lock
did
the
they
door.
take the food from you?
They tried.
Oh. Okay,
Southland Blvd, yes ma'am.
what apartment were they in? Okay.
There's an African American gentleman with a light pro. He's about my height, which is 5'6", overweight,
Okay, and what color shirt?
black I think. I think his pants were gray. I'm not sure on the pants.
You said you were at apartment,
Yes ma'am.
and you walked up to give him a DoorDash, he pulled a gun out on you?
He said he didn't order the delivery. I said, all right, cool. And I started to walk away, and he was like, but I'll fucking take it. I was like, I don't think so. And then he pulled a gun on me.
Did you call? Did you call me?
Yes, I did.
425 child, not a caller.
Okay, so I had a DoorDash delivery to 120 Southland,
Uh-huh.
and how do I get? I've never done this. And when I got there, he said that he didn't order pizza. I was like, okay. And he was like, has it been paid for? I said no, and I need Kai because it's an $85 order. And he was like, and he pulled out from his pants, I don't know if they were sweatpants or regular pants, a gun, and threatened to take it. And I was like, no, I don't fucking think so. That's $85 damn. And then he kept threatening, and I said, I will throw this right here on the fucking floor. And then he was like, I know I'm gonna take that food. I was like, that's food out of my kid's mouth.
What did he look like? Was it a male or a female?
It was a male. He was probably about your or my height, because I looked him in the eye.
Was he a black male, white male, what?
He was a black male with a slight afro, about 2 to 3 inches long.
What apartment?
Apartment 2.
Where did he go?
He went back in his apartment.
He's in apartment 20 Southland?
Yes.
Okay.
You saw him go into an apartment?
I saw him open the door to the apartment. He was in the apartment. I was at the threshold. He went back inside as he shut the door.
425
That's where he was.
Apparently the suspect's going to be in 120 East Southland apartment. Stand by for a description. So, black male, what was he wearing?
Black shirt. I don't know what color pants.
So, black male, small afro?
Yeah, it was like 2 to 3 inches, like about right here. That's all I got out of that. He didn't have very many blemishes on his face, nothing like that. It was a small gun, I think a 9mm. Don't fucking quote me on
Was it a handgun?
Yes, it was a small handgun. It was not a revolver.
Was it black?
Yes.
Okay.
I could probably picture it. I'm not very good.
425 child radio. Be advised, he might be on with a small black handgun.
My son was there. I don't think he saw the gentleman, but he can give you a description, maybe.
Southside Drive, Southland.
10-4, do you need 10? 10-4.
Right here. Come talk to us for a second. We'll tell you in a second. Quit walking away. Get your hands out of your pockets. If you take off running, you'll lose that race. You know that. Keep your hands right. Keep your hands where we can see them. Stop right now. He's reaching. Stop reaching. Shots fired. Shots fired.
What's your location? Shots fired.
I got radio. I got radio. Get off the radio. South side and Southland. He's down against the fence.
Down against the fence, Southland and Southside Drive.
All right, hold up. Hey.
Everybody shut the fuck up.
Do we have a shield or anything?
No, we don't.
But chill. Okay, look. Let's see if we can advance on him. Do we have a shield?
We do not.
Okay. Hey, Mathis and Lax, maintain security where you are. Okay? Hold on. Let me tackle it real quick.
I got you.
Oh, sorry. All right.
Okay,
Hey.
9-12-10-4.
Are we good to advance on him?
Let's go. Somebody get a med bag.
Is it the subject that's down?
All right, let's go.
Don't let them know.
We're all officer 1086 right now.
Show me your hands.
Come on, bro. Show us your hands.
Hey, show me your hands. Show me
Hold
your
on.
hands.
Okay, guns in his right hand. Guns in his right hand. Watch his left hand. You guys, hey, keep your gun on him. I'm holstering.
I got hands.
Somebody with me, I'm going to get gun. Okay, watch out. Okay, guns out.
We're good.
All right, render aid.
Go, guys.
Does the 4th Division need any other units?
Apparently, the suspect's going to be in stand by for description.
10-4.
Bro.
Yeah, man, so we're going to be out on one here at Southside Drive, Southland.
10-4, do you need 10s?
Here in a sec.
10-4.
Unfortunately, if I try radio, be advised you come up beyond with a small black handgun.
4 alarms with a small black handgun.
He's reaching for a gun. Drop the fucking gun.
Last unit, do you repeat?
Fired.
5 Adams, shots fired.
I got radio. I got radio.
Hey, stay
Fuck.
on the radio.
6 Charlie, we're Southland and Southside.
Southland and Southside.
And Southland.
Southland.
He's down against
Against the fence.
Down against the fence, Southland and Southside Drive. All units, please respond.
Everybody shut the fuck up.
Do we have a shield or anything?
No, we don't. Fuck.
But chill. Okay, look. Let's see if we can advance on him.
Bigger, I'm pulling up with them now.
Do we have a
Three out on the
shield?
door.
We do not. Okay. Hey, Mathis and Lax. Maintain security where you are.
You're good.
Okay? Hold on. Let me tackle it real quick.
I got you.
Oh, sorry.
And close started, CMS code 3.
All right.
Okay, 9-12-10-4.
Are we good to advance on him?
Let's go. Somebody get a med bag.
Is it the subject that's down?
Let them know.
We're all officer 1086 right now.
Show me your hands.
Come on, bro.
Show me your hands. Hey, show me your hands. Show me your hands.
Guns in his
Guns
right
in
hand.
his
Guns in his right hand. Watch his left hand. You guys, hey, keep your gun on him. I'm going.
I got
hands.
I got hands.
Somebody with me, I'm going to get gun. Okay, watch out.
Go ahead.
We good? Okay, guns out. All right, render a.
Does the 4th Division need any other units to head that way?
No, we're good.
Yeah, we're good. Just you know.
Whoever has touched ears, start cutting.
10-4, he's on the domestic on Ormsby. I'm sure he'll head that way as soon as he can.